Wow. It's so cold even the ducks don't want to come outside. Honestly. Hey Wednesday associates. I won't get to see you in lab since campus is on a delayed start, and that delayed start includes obviously when our class was going to begin, so it's effectively canceled for today. Definitely a little bit of a bummer because today's lab activity was really fun. The folks on Monday at least had really positive things to say about it. So, kind of two things. First, you can watch the recording from Monday. Grab it in our Teams, channel where you get all the live streams and recordings, and just go ahead and watch that. You can fill out the lab reflection and still get your credit if you go watch the recording and do the activities. Otherwise, I'll just excuse the lab reflection for this week. You still need to, get 10 by the end of the semester. We have 16 total, so I have already accounted for these potential weather cancellations in that number. And two, I will make sure to follow up with the really big highlights and most important things next week in lab. Obviously, we won't have time to do the full activity because we have other stuff to work on, but we definitely will be able to do I'll run sort of an abridged version and just make sure that we get kind of the key discussion points in there. But yeah, the activities, what we had planned today, what I had planned, we are going to draw diagrams of kind of simple objects, trade them with partners, discuss, if you were going to construct or try to actually make this thing that you drew, what are those questions? So you can really think about what goes into a more usable technical diagram. Absolutely, it's activities that you can do by yourself at home as you're watching the recording, or if you're hanging out with friend, roommate, family, whoever, you could do the activity with them, and it would, again, I don't know, folks on Monday said that they had fun, so I recommend trying it. And then the second part of the activity in lab was just working with some of the tools that already got cited and you have notes on based on the chapter. So it's just a chance to kind of get hands-on of a little demo of that. And watch Monday's recording and you'll be fully caught up. You can watch it on 2 times speed, skip past the, times when everybody's, working and just listen to what I'm saying. You are adults, you decide what you want to do there, but I recommend completing that, watching it, and if you do watch it, you can still get a lab reflection credit. All right, I will see you next week. Hopefully the weather's a little bit better and I do get to see you. Have a great, stay warm, have a good day. Bye, associates.